This is the Great Pyramid of Giza. For over 4,600 years, it has endured in the Egyptian desert. For most of human civilization, it was the tallest building in the world. It was built to last for eternity because it was meant to house a god. It has survived earthquakes, erosions, and wars, countless plunderers, British explorers blasting their way in with dynamite. The 2.3 million stone blocks, some with a mass of up to 50 metric tons, make it one of the heaviest human-made objects of all time. It's also built with incredible precision. Its base is roughly the size of 7 New York City blocks, and almost perfectly level, never deviating more than an inch. The 4 sides are aligned to the cardinal directions with near-perfect accuracy, thousands of years before the compass was even invented. And we will tackle 3 fascinating theories of its construction. This is the insane engineering of the pyramids.